crispy toasted sandwich bread. So this bread is so crispy, it's well toasted. I went shopping for the Father's Day gift for hubby, so I came across this sandwich maker and this mortar. So as I love buying things for my cooking channel, I didn't let this pass me by. I know I needed a mortar, and I needed the sandwich maker, so I bought those two and I brought it back home. And just guys, see what I made with it. I got my sardine, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna make something delicious with this sandwich maker. So here am I emptying the sardine in the bowl. I just drain off the oil because I don't want to make the sandwich with the oil, so with the sardine oil. So I just drain it off. I used 2 cans or 2 tins of sardine or sandwich for the sandwich. You know what? Just watch and just follow the steps, and believe the process. So I just added my salt. Right now I'm adding complete seasoning just for taste, and I cut the onions and the pepper, of course, put it on the fry pan, frying it. Then I added the sandwich, the sardine fish. So here I'm trying to break it up in the fry pan just to mix it up and marinate everything properly, for good taste. For those of us that love tasty meal, easy kitchen meal. So I marinate and I mixed it properly. I gave it a nice mix. I gave it a proper mix. We want all the ingredients, to go around. So I decided to add my egg here. I used 2 eggs and I added the egg. After adding the egg, I left it for some time before I started turning it, stirring it, mixing it together. Yeah, here I'm mixing it together. So I got my bread. Of course, this is the bread we're using for the sandwich. And I start putting in the mixture of the sardine and the egg in the bread, and I start placing it in the sandwich maker. And you can see this is looking good already. I'm just believing the process, and I know this will turn out good. So guys, if you've watched up until this moment, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Give this video a thumbs up. Come and love this recipe, and I'm making more of this recipe for you guys. So I'm done putting it in the sandwich maker. Here I'm covering the sandwich. Oh my god, look at that, so lovely. Light brown, crispy, homemade sandwich. This is very easy for busy mom. My channel is for busy mom, for busy workers that want easy quick meal, easy homemade meal. So this is good. It's a good breakfast for the family. And guys, if you've watched up until this moment again, I want you to love this video, and see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.